Hey guys, it's me Toys and More here. Today we're going to be doing a review on this really cool talking Kenny plush from Seung, but it's the mini version and the eyes do not glow on the minis. Because when I first got this, I had to take it apart by cutting the back of his head open at the seam. That was the final seam because the batteries were dead and the battery corrosion was terrible and it pretty much popped the wire, so it disconnected. So we had to replace the wire during soldering, and then we finally got it working again. So it says the same phrases as the normal ones, but the eyes don't glow, as I said, which is also the same phrases as the glowing eyes ones that were made. The talking stand plush from Phone for All, one of those large talking ones, and also the three of him, Kyle, and Cartman by a la carte. So now let's turn this around for different angles. It does have a hanger here, just like the regular ones do. The hanger about measures about 4 inches tall. Yes, so I just saw hair, but that's okay. So if you do this, you could also see his eyes through, which you don't need to see the whole thing. I do have some footage of this without the hood because I had to take his hood off in order to get at his head. And what I will say is, um, this is what the top of him looks like, and this is the bottom. There was some kind of price sticker, I believe, and it was peeled off, so that's why you see some glue from the sticker left on there. And this does have a tag, but the tag is very faded, so you could tell that it's supposed to look the same as the normal toys. And I can tell this is a Seong because of the way it looks, and the tag says Carino right there, which Carino is Seong, a form of the name. And in the other words, yeah, the words made in China and comedy partners are the only words in English here, but everything else is written in Korean. So yeah, so that's about all we have today for the Kenny. However, this thing did come with a hang tag when it was new and had a sticker, but now it doesn't have that because I got this used from a seller that used to have South Park items, and that's pretty much how most people get their South Park stuff nowadays. So now I'm going to be showing you the unboxing part that I did for it, and at the end I'll show you videos of other items I'm aware of from this company. So this is the voice box that is inside them, so this proves that they do not have glowing eyes, but the regular ones that are the bigger ones do have glowing eyes because you could press their hand and you can zip up, like there's like a zipper in the back of their body and you can open it through that way instead of a velcro. And this is it right here. Kind of unique though, right? Because over here it's got like special symbols. See that? I'm trying to open this box and the batteries are pretty leaked. I see, like, look at that, they're corroded. That means I have to throw these out. And let me get a tissue because I don't want that on my hand. Another thing that's different too about the minis is this one apparently has different material from the normal one because the normal one has fleece for his outfit while this one's like velvet material, I say. This picture is to show how big the minis are compared to the regulars. Okay, these dancing and singing toys play the same song twice in a row. I found no videos of these items being activated. Plus, the suction cup plus toys don't have batteries to make them talk. So that's all I gotta say today. So please subscribe to this channel for more content. And if you find pictures of more suction cups and dancing items or anything else I might not be aware of, please make sure to send me the links to the posts that show them or direct message me through Instagram showing me the photos and videos if there is any.